Once you've set up your experiment in the traditional LASX GUI, you can open up the Navigator and find access to a lot of the different features directly here on the left side. Each of these buttons opens up a overlaid window that gives you access to the projects. The beam path will give you access to load any save settings that you have available, as well as quickly switch between different filters or different channels that you might have set up. Within the image window, you can actually activate the different imaging modalities available on your system. You can adjust the camera very quickly, even loading in some of the new profiles that are available, and changing objectives very easily. If you've got a automated nose piece, you just simply click here directly within the software, and the magnification and overlay of the field of view all adjust. The illumination settings can also be quickly reached through the left side. You can monitor and alter any of the environmental controls you have set up. You can analyze the different project settings and make quick changes if you decide, you know what, I do want to use the sequence board for some fast speed acquisitions. You can add it right here in the project's choice in the Navigator view. We've also got the ability to control all the different parameters of the stage. Because this is such a stage heavy part of our software, you got easy access to the percentage overlap. And it's worth noting that you can also do negative overlaps. So if you are quickly just trying to identify where on your slide your sample is, a negative overlap might give you a clear indication of where you need to do a proper overview for accurate tiling. Equally, you can control what functions occur automatically. So for example, you can say at the beginning of an acquisition, I'd like to save that overview automatically. Or you could be someone annoyed by the overview. You can have it cleared right away at the start of the acquisition. It's quite nice stuff. Even here, you can activate your automatic image analysis at the end of the acquisition, which is a real nice way to quickly go from acquiring an image to actually getting your analysis done. In the carrier, we have all the different selections here for the different types of sample carriers that you might bring to the system. And considering that every stage insert is not the same, there is this align button down here on the bottom. The alignment protocol is nice and easy. So with this example, I've got a slide selected with a round cover glass, and the system is going to ask me to physically move the microscope stage to hit each of these points of the cover glass. So ignoring the view here and visibly looking over at the microscope, when it's asking for this point, I'm going to drive the microscope so that the objective is about aligned with this edge here of the cover slip, and hit next. And then I'll either manually or automatically move to a point that's close to this top part here, then the right side, then the bottom side. And as each of those are saved, then the sample carrier here is accurately representative of the area that you're going to be imaging for your sample.